welcome to Art with Ashley B. That's me. Today I am going to teach you how to draw a cheese character. This is what it will look like once we're finished. All right, illustrators, go ahead and grab your drawing materials and let's get started. All right, illustrators, we're going to begin our cheese character. Our cheese character is basically a square, just a little bit skewed. So we're going to start with a little line. We're going to dip down and then continue out. So it's like one of those slices of cheese that has holes in it sometimes, and that will give our character some quirky details here. So that's the top line of our square. We're going to move to the left side now, and you'll notice that I'm coming in slightly, making a little bit of a diagonal line here. Next, we'll work on the bottom edge, and we're going to put a few curves in this one. One there, and one here. We're going to make this curve the corner, so we're going to curve around, and then we're going to start our way back up. Another inward curve here, and back up. So it's a very quirky looking square so far. All right, now we're going to place the face. Nice little rhyme there. And then we'll add some additional circle details. So we're going to begin with an oval for one eye. And the other eye we're going to make a slightly different shape. It's going to be a little bit more of a circle right next to it. I love it when characters have quirky details like this, and when you make the eyes two different shapes, it really does a great job of that. Now this is of course going to be a happy cheese. We need a little smile and two eyebrows. And we'll add a few additional circles in here just because that will set us up for some color success later, because we can color inside of these circles a little bit differently than the rest of the character here. So you can put your circles wherever you have room for them, and it doesn't really matter how many you can get in there. So we've got the body here of our cheese. Now we have to add some fun arms and legs. So we're going to start with the arm on this side, just a line with a couple little fingers. And we'll do that same thing on the other side for the other arm. Come up. Again, this cheese is celebrating the new year, so obviously being very, very happy. Next, we're going to make two simple legs. One line there. Add a little foot, and another line next to it with a foot there as well. So there we have our cheese character, and now we get to add some color. So go ahead and get some colored pencils, crayons, markers, anything that you'd like. This is what I chose to do. Illustrators, there we have our cheese characters. The last step that we have to do is sign them, because every artist should always sign their work. All right, illustrators, there we have our cheese characters. I am so impressed with you all today. I hope that you all have a happy New Year celebration, and I'll see you next time back here on Art with Ashley B. Bye.